guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mehak and this is my first ever YouTube video. I have wanted to do this for the longest time ever, but I've just never started until now. Loves makeup as well as skincare. So if you're like me, jump on and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It will mean the absolute world to me. Today I have done this very easy, minimal, everyday makeup routine that I do on a day-to-day basis. So if you also are like me and don't like cakey makeup on like a daily basis and you want something quick and easy with drugstore products, this video is just for you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I start by prepping my skin. My skin is feeling so dry in the winters, I can't even begin to tell you. So I recently tried this, the Hydrating Ceramide Toner Essence, or Milky Toner as I like to call it. It's very easy and ज़्यादा heavy भी नहीं है because I've got combination skin. तो ज़्यादा भी अगर कुछ oily होएगा तो will not suit me. So this I find to be a very good in between. Neither is it too heavy and neither is it too light. It's very simple and just where it feels so good. It just feels like your skin, you've just had like 10 glasses of water. It just makes my skin look hydrated again, which is tough to do in the winters. After I'm done with my skin prep, which is just the Milky Toner, I don't need anything more because I said I've got combination skin. ज़्यादा कर लूँगी then I look like a grease ball and I have to keep powdering, then it ends up looking cakey, so it defeats the whole purpose. This is the Dot & Key tinted sunscreen. This, and I use this as like my foundation because like I said, I don't like doing a lot of makeup, so I apply the Dot & Key sunscreen all over. This is a really good sunscreen, as in it's hydrating also. I use it in summers as well as winters, so it's not like greasy. It just keeps me looking fresh the whole day. Like right now I'm showing you my everyday routine. Like right now I have to go out to the mall. So I don't anyway, जैसे कौन ही तैयार होता है भाई मॉल के लिए, इतना ज़्यादा कौन करता है. तो I'm doing my everyday makeup routine only. कि I look a little presentable, that's it. And by everyday I don't mean घर पे बैठ के भी मैं ये करती हूँ. घर पे बैठ के मैं कुछ नहीं करती हूँ. Because मैं क्यों करूँगी? I don't care. And also on a daily basis, I don't think I need to cover up my acne scars and do a full-blown routine क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा मेरे से होगा भी नहीं, मैं वैसे भी lazy हूँ. So if you also have blush blindness like me, this is going to be a perfect hack for you. I go in with my blush first. I just can't contain myself when I'm putting blush. I just keep going, कम लग रहा है और मैं और लगा लेती हूँ और अभी भी कम लग रहा है और मैं और लगा लेती हूँ. And then I end up looking like a clown. So if this sounds like you, this hack is going to be perfect for you because look what I do. The Fay Beauty blush in Peppy, and it's a very nice, like it's a acid pink, but it doesn't come out acid when you put it on your face. It doesn't look itna jarring. So, but also I don't put a lot, okay? मतलब मेरे हिसाब से, normal लोगों के हिसाब से होएगा a lot. This is how I like to put my blush. I just go over everything. So I'm an actor actually, and I've always loved makeup. And as a child, I filmed a couple of makeup tutorials that were embarrassing at best. So I can't upload them. I don't want to upload them. But I have always just not given heed to this part of me कि YouTube करना है. मेरे को बचपन से करना था. But मेरे को बचपन से एक्टर भी बनना है. So वो तो मैं कर ही रही हूँ and मैं बन के दिखाऊंगी. But this is also something that I've always wanted to do, and I don't want to become old and have regrets कि मैं वो करना चाहती थी और मैंने नहीं करा, या मैं वो कर लेती तो क्या पता क्या होता. So that's why I'm doing this. So please support me if you like my content, and that's pretty much it. Coming back. So see, नहीं है इतना ज़्यादा blush. मेरे को तो नहीं लग रहा है. Maybe लोगों को लगे. I don't know. But I do my blush first. But then I top it off with a powder blush, I'll show you. So I always take it under my eye, like remaining जो भी blush है. It acts as a sort of जुगाड़ू color corrector. Because color correctors I find एक और step करना ना, I can't do, मैं सो जाऊँगी. I go in with my concealer. I've got two concealer options, especially winters के लिए. I love this concealer. It's the NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum. And oh my god, This concealer is just out of this world. It's so good, it's so creamy, it's so lightweight. For me to almost have finished a concealer, trust me, means it's good. And हालत देख के आपको पता चल ही रहा होगा, मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ किया है. And a new concealer that I've tried that is not probably new to you guys because it's so hyped is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I found it to be very nice. It's not as hydrating as the NYX wala, but it's quite nice. It's a very generic normal concealer मेरे को लगता है. The ease of application is great. जैसे इसके साथ the only drawback I find is you have to pump it on the back of your hand and then apply it. इसके साथ it's obviously much easier. You can just go in straight and blend it out, and it blends out very seamlessly. So it's great also. This one's also a great concealer. Having said that, I'm going to use the NYX Bear With Me today. So I just take some at the back of my hand. So I take about this much and I just warm it up. Then I apply under my eyes. मैं ऐसे roughly apply करती हूँ क्योंकि बाद में सब blend ही करना है भाई. And I apply this then everywhere. This is why also I don't use foundation, because I just go over with a concealer, and this concealer now is like a skin tint. Like seriously. Abhi aap dekho, like see, okay, I've put it and now just see how easily it blends out. Done. It's done. It's blended. Such a nice concealer. I can't stop raving about it. It's just, oh god. मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगता है ना ये concealer. It's not even funny. And it's medium coverage. It's not इतना कोई full coverage concealer. So it's not even like, it's difficult to like wear on a daily basis. Thanks Plane for coming right when I'm shooting. That's sweet. But it's really easy to blend out. So this is why I do my blush first, because then when you go in with your concealer, you have that option of dragging your concealer down thoda niche tak agar blush zyada ho gaya hai, and you can just neutralize it. So this is pretty much it. This is all I do for my base. And if I have concealer left over, मेरे को कहीं लगेगा कि spot correct करना है, तो I'll do. But per se, if I'm being completely honest, I don't care about my acne marks. By the way, this takes me like 10 minutes to do every day. But I'm talking a lot. I generally talk a lot. So I'm so excited that I'm doing this, because every single time I'm getting ready, I am doing a whole YouTube tutorial. I'm just not filming it. And this is the first time I'm actually filming it. And I'm happy. Using the K-Beauty Loose Powder, shade Vanilla. So I go in with a powder brush, ऐसा winters में. I always tap off the excess. And then you go under your eye like first. And then go over like the rest of it. It's so soft, wow. In summers mein to, my god, I need powder, dude. Trust me. And I still need to like touch up and stuff. Winters mein not so much. Thoda sa powder I just do around my nose. Ho gaya. Okay. So see, it looks very normal. It looks like I've not done anything only. Why am I doing it then? I don't know. I go in with, again, Mars. Oh Brow eyebrow pencil. I've not heard anybody talk about this, but I've recently purchased this. I was looking for a stiff eyebrow pencil, but that was really patli. The makeup artists would always do them for me whenever I was on set. So I didn't ever learn. And then I was like, what am I doing? I should know. And I don't know if you can tell, but naturally I have a pretty good shape to my eyebrows already, like when I brush them out. So it doesn't need a lot of doing. I read a lot of good stuff about this eyebrow pencil, so I bought it, and it's perfect. Like, I'll show you. It's a really patli tip, and it's perfect. I had the Etude House brow pencil before this, and that's also really good, but I found it to be a little too waxy. I don't use a brow gel. Should I use a brow gel? If you guys use a brow gel, please let me know if it's like beneficial and like if it changes the brow game for you. Because I'm open to giving new makeup a shot at any time. Like I said, I'm a hoarder. It's very simple. And whole game brows done. Moving on to one of my most favorite parts. भाई क्या हो गया इसको? इसका submit किया. That's crazy. but it's the Maybelline tattoo liner, if I'm not wrong. I'm pretty sure. And it's the dark brown shade because I feel like it looks so much more natural than the black. So I just take that and I like line my waterline with it. And I tight line my eyes as well. Okay. I do mascara. I can't live without curling my lashes. This is the eyelash curler from Color Bar. Do you see the difference? You must see the difference, okay? Even if you don't see it, tell me you see it. And then the other eye. It really opens up your eye. Mascara that I absolutely love, actually I love more than this, I'm just using this, I don't know why, is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. I'm going to use this today. Look, if you see a wand like this and if you're like me and you like a very like natural looking lash, just look for a wand like this in a tubing mascara. Don't get waterproof mascaras, they are the worst thing you can use for your eyes. I love it. It is so separating and it is so lengthening. It is just phenomenal. Now on to my most favorite part again, blush. The NYX Buttermelt blush. This is in 08 Getting Butter. This has not launched in India. Unfortunately, I got this from London last year. It is such a gorgeous formulation. Oh, also I forgot to show you one thing. This is the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational in Space Diamond. This has glitter in it. It coats my lashes in glitter. So tell me if you want to see this. I will show you. So that whenever it launches in India, you can buy it. It is gorgeous. This is the Buttermelt ka color. Just look how sundar. Wow. Look how gorgeous that color is. Look how pigmented. It is very pigmented and it's so true to its name. It's called the Buttermelt blush. It's actually like butter. It's so nice. I only touch it and it coats the blush and brush. And now look. Earlier I couldn't figure out how to use this blush because it's so pigmented. वो होता है ना कुछ चीजें कि इतनी pigmented है कि आप use ही नहीं कर पाते. It was like that until I figured out how to use it. And now I love it. Oh, I'm looking like an idiot with no lipstick on. That's great. That's all I do because I have blood blindness. So maybe it's Zada. I don't know. Now time for the best thing in the world. The e.l.f. lip tint. If you don't have this, you must get it. It is exactly like the Benefit. I've finished my Benefit one. I had it in the original. I've used it up, finished it up. And when this launched, I was waiting for this launch for like 6 months. This is in the shade Cherry Cola. This is so sundar. Just watch. Do you see that? My god. I absolutely love this color. And you know, it stays for fairly long. मतलब I'll not lie, okay? It's not gonna be like कि आपने सुबह लगाया है और शाम तक भी चलेगा. You'll eat one meal जिसमें थोड़ा सा oil होएगा and it'll sort of fade away. But it'll not leave your lips completely bare. That's the point of a lip stain. But हाँ, it's not like one of those like super long lasting lip stains कि like हिलेगा ही नहीं. It's not like that. Yes, and it's already set. Look. Once the e.l.f. Lip tint or any lip stain that I'm using that day has set, I always like to go over with the lip combo because I don't like to just go out on a lip stain. Either I'll top it off with just like a gloss, but today I want to do like a full-blown lip combo as well. I'm using the Rimmel lip liner. It's the lasting finish lip liner in the shade 790 Brownie Pie. Line my lips with it lightly. And I always smudge my lip liner because otherwise it looks very stark and then lip liner alag lagta hai, lipstick alag lagta hai, or lip gloss, whatever you're putting on top. And then MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy, which is like a cult classic. Such a pretty shade. I love it. I love this lip combo so much, it's not even funny. It's so perfect. To everyone that's watched this video and supported me, thank you so much. Your support means the absolute world to me. It's my first ever YouTube video, so any creative or constructive criticism that you have is more than welcome in my comment section. And if you feel that there is anything that I need to improve, please let me know, but in a nice way, don't be mean. But apart from that, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and comment and share with whoever you think will like this video. And I've waited so long to say this, but please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please stay tuned. I will keep posting a lot more fun makeup as well as skincare videos. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep supporting me. Thank you.